there is kind of behavior was some Ghanaian teachers, especially omwa sebu omuwo yen class in munjai date no bi baba school na akwala no onima de no na wo kire no na weti na wo di camera si so e twa no di na ba wonten ana e twa no di na to social media die nti na was teacher ni akwala na onima de e di na ba se kire no no na weti no na wo make fun of akwala no na mo fi se den wo sane ye wa nka be ye wode wo nkwala brim na wo nyini du say na wo hu video bi o social media say wo nkwala brim ko school na wa bon ibi kura no so bi ka asam na kira wo pokura say wa bon ana wo ko school na wa bon ana say bia wo de wa bon how does it feel so wo di camera be record you bi ba. There were a lot of videos on social media. Obo na akwala bia o school classroom o hu ade na teacher for an asset ni teacher ni are recording their to social media just to make fun of that akwala no. Na so punish akwala na no the camera assisting so are recording. Aden if I'm sure bayan penny for mo one teacher for no. Minka say yen si obi ana yen kwachi obi. Ne mum Sadia na was jai. Intino wa wahwe sa video ni bibia akwala bia o school. Ghana ni akwala bia o school. Teacher ni recording no. E dey na to abonten esanse akwala no sebio de o kire no wo hu a wa bonten no. O dey na to abonten e make fun of akwala no. Misro se wahwe sa video ni bia asre. Ahia ma obi amanipa no so asra. E na hye we so ma obi na ono so nhwe en hye ma obi. Na teacher for no nya sade no. Na it's not funny. It's not funny. So we who said that and I will be in no one who video our classroom and our bon yes no near the video not to abonte. It's not funny. Madam Wase.